There's something real special about camping on the ocean. My wife had introduced it to me after I'd met her years ago. Flying kites and playing in the sand was a thing we did every year. We started in tents, and then we got this Alaskan 67 pop-up camper. It was the bomb. We could finally crawl inside on those wet days and cook a nice hot meal or tea and just chill out, have fun. Then we found this camper. Fixed it up a little bit, and that's what we currently use.
So this is our camper. It's a 1963 Aloha. We've had this about 8 years now. Let's go in and take a look. We painted the inside green cabinets not too long ago. Here's the kitchen and a little bedroom. It's very cozy back here. I recently did the cushions, did a video on that, you may have seen that. We haven't done much to the camper, but it's in pretty good shape for its age. Got a little water damage up above, but that's about it. We lucked out. Bought this for $150. Before vintage trailers were the craze. This is always a work in progress. One day we'll give it a new paint job. Not quite yet. For power, I just have a battery. It's the one that I use on my trolling motor. Inverter, and that gives us power. Little bucket to the drain. It's kind of tacky, I know, but there you go. We don't have a bathroom in there, so we use the public bathrooms that are available at the campground. And up till a few years ago, we didn't have a shower until Mary decided to build one of these. She saw this on Pinterest. It's a hula hoop shower curtain. I just have a strap, stick it up on a branch. Works real well. We have a few boards down there to stand on.
Instead of laying a bag out in the sun, we just heat up a half gallon of hot water, pour in 2/3 of a gallon of cold water, and then the hot water on top of that. You got enough warm water to do a nice soapy shower and wash your hair. It's fabulous.
I go camping, this is how I get around. Little pedal car. This is made for Burning Man. But now, we just kind of take it every year just to get some use out of it. Gets about 360 miles per hour. This is taken off of the Moshe design from the 1930s. The dashboard, yeah, this was for Burning Man. I just want all kinds of fun stuff on there. So when kids get in here, they have something to play with. So I made this with a trunk. Pull this latch down, lift it up, and there you go.
On the days we're heading to the beach, we'll load up the trunk, take all of our belongings down to the walkway to the beach. Mary will immediately set up camp, then start digging a big moat. I'll take that sand, make a snake or something. But what I really enjoy doing is get out the tools to make a sand sculpture. Now this is kind of something I figured out a while back, how to make a block of sand so you can carve detail like the pros. It's just a 24-inch wide by 8 foot long piece of flashing, 2 cargo straps, and about 15 minutes you've got yourself a fun blocks of sand to play with, just like clay.
Look at your face right in here. The thing I like about sand is you can hammer at it real quick. Try not to go too far because it's hard to repair if you've gone too far into whatever you're making.
Here are some of the sculptures that I've made over the years. They're so temporary, you know? It's like the wind will chew the crap out of them in one day, and dogs and little kids will come up and stomp all over them. But one thing we really like doing with our moat is to, I don't know, challenge Mother Nature. See if we can't stave off the ocean.
The ocean is teasing us.
Even for a little while.
We survived one more attack. Well, I think we survived.
Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
There goes her fire.